In this video, we're going to be talking about the Intel stock price and how we've been dominating this since January 28th, 2026. I made a video and we're looking for a cup and handle here, guys. And we're speculating that January 29th and February 2nd at market open, these would be two very important times for us to be looking at. And we drew this up on the chart. And why January 29th? Why February 2nd? Well, it's what Chart Forecaster was telling us back on these dates. These were very key dates, points in time to really be looking at. Now, Chart Forecaster forecasts markets conditions about 9-10 days out in advance. So with that said, you guys can see how it's done a very, very nice job predicting reversals. Price came down, reversed, peak momentum or bullish or bearish momentum started moving, volatility, reversals, more bullish bearish momentum starts building, and it basically lets you know 10 days out in advance. Once it places or makes a prediction, this prediction does not change under any circumstance. It places the marker on the chart and it's off to the races. So it was telling us back then on the 29th that the 29th would be an area of peak momentum in a reversal area, which this was the peak momentum area. And then we had another thing to look forward to on February 2nd, which was a reversal zone of market lows or highs. And that is how we were able to kind of figure out that guess what could be happening here? Well, maybe, just maybe, there's going to be a cup and handle that forms here, and we'll see the price kind of rip off a little bit more. Now, it's been 8 days since this video, and the markets have changed quite a bit. We've seen heavy retracements in silver. We've seen a lot of crazy madness happening. For Intel, it's warning us that on February 9th at approximately 12:44 UTC time, so the 9th, UTC time, we'll just go 1300 hours, that there is going to be incoming volatility. There could be a pause. This could be a breakout or breakdown area. This is a very important time frame. And you can see how well Chart Forecaster does at predicting this. Volatility, a breakdown in price. Volatility, a breakdown in price. It's pretty accurate. You can see here a nice volatility spike. So this is what we're kind of looking for on Intel on that date. So there's some other things that are on the horizon that I'm paying attention to. Number one, I think that the price is going to go lower. I think the price would have continued to go higher, and it might go higher until this February 9th area, and that might be the point where we see this reversal happen. But there's another thing kind of looming, and really it's this harmonic pattern. And like I mentioned, the charts have been really kind of crazy lately. And I do think that if we see the price kind of stall out on Intel going into Monday at the open or Monday afternoon, I do think that we could possibly be gearing up to see some sort of harmonic play out. And I'm going to tell you about the head and shoulders that I'm seeing just now. But I think that this harmonic has the potential to strip the price down to $44 to $41-ish, somewhere in that neighborhood. Now, if we do see a breakdown in price on Monday's open, there could be also something known as a head and shoulders pattern. And this is not good. Head and shoulders pattern kind of reinforces the idea that there could be this harmonic pattern in play. And typically when traders try to measure a head and shoulders pattern and the impact it will have, they will measure from the neckline up to the top of the head. So you guys can see this is approximately how much we could expect this price to shutter. Right down to about that $45 area at the least. If things get bad though, right around that $41-ish area. So this is kind of my target area for Intel. And going into Friday tomorrow, if this thing's pumping, I might look at some put options on Intel and snag them at Friday's close, maybe even today. But with that said, that's my overview and analysis on Intel. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, check out chartforecaster.com. There's a free 3-day trial, no card needed. Just use free trial 3 when you sign up. So we'll see you on the next video. Peace.